Opus 5 is now the default model on Claude Max. We already pay for Max, so forget the API sales pitch. Can the subscription speed up code, finish a browser game, and find answers in a giant codebase? One try each. Watch it work. Opus 5 landed on July 24th. Anthropic says it gets close to Fable 5 for half the API price, and Max subscribers get it in Claude Code. That last part is what we're testing. This is not an API test wearing a fake mustache. Claude Code says we're on Max. No API key is loaded, and paid overage is off. This session reports room for 200,000 tokens in and 32,000 out. The bigger 1 million token API window is a different product. At launch, Artificial Analysis gave Opus 5 a score of 61 and the top spot. Other reports showed 96% on a coding test and 30.2 on a brutal reasoning test. Great scoreboard. Now let's make it earn the subscription. 3 jobs, 1 fresh run each, and no repairs. The code and game get the exact prompts we gave Kimi, with tools turned off. For the big repository, Claude may only read and search files. Every answer and event log is saved before we judge it. Kimi's code passed and ran 1.77 times faster than regular PyTorch. Claude gets the very same prompt. No tools, no second chance. Go. It passed. Regular PyTorch took 0.86 milliseconds. Claude's version took 0.57, a 1.5 times speedup. Nice. But Kimi's kernel was faster. Kimi made a lovely game that could not start because the answer got chopped off. Claude gets the same monster prompt, but we do not squeeze its reply into Kimi's old limit. Pretty is nice. Playable wins. This time the answer finished, the code check passed, and the start button actually started the game. We played it with no browser errors. Claude wins this round. Kimi swallowed an 890,000 token dump, found useful files, then stopped halfway through. Max cannot fit that dump in one go, so we're testing it the way subscribers actually work. Claude can search the repository, but it cannot edit a thing. 4 questions, 8 cited paths, 1 run. Claude finished all 4 questions and cited 16 real paths. Every path exists and our spot check matched the source. That's the kind of answer you can keep working with. Claude passed all 3 jobs. Kimi kept the faster kernel, but Opus finished the game and handled the repository cleanly with search tools. The 3 runs used about $1.38 in equivalent metered work, with no extra API bill. If you already pay for Max, Claude Code is the part worth testing. Next up, 3 new Quen models released in 1 week, including models you can run at home. Which test should we make nastier? Tell me below and subscribe for the next round.